So you probably have some old family recordings on cassette tape, and as time goes on, the quality of those tapes will degrade to the point that they won't be usable. They can easily be erased or broken. Heat will damage them, so there are a lot of risks in storing recordings that you want to hear in the future on a cassette tape. So the best thing is to convert these over to digital, and the easiest way to do that I've found is really just to get a cheap personal portable cassette player. So like the old Walkman style players, I bought one from Jensen and one from Memorex, and they both work fine for this sort of conversion. On them you're going to find the headphone jack, so the port where the headphones come out, the sound comes out, and you can see that here on the Jensen, here on the Memorex, and then you just plug in your standard audio cable. So that will get you the sound out. Then the other end of that cable needs to go into the microphone port of your PC. So if you've got a laptop, it may be a combined headphone and microphone port, but it will work. And if it's on a desktop computer, make sure you use the microphone port. So once you have the audio cable plugged into the microphone port of the computer, you're ready to start capturing the audio that's coming off the cassette. There are a lot of different software options that you can use to capture that audio. I think even Windows has one built in, but I've used a program called Total Recorder for a long time, for many years, for a variety of reasons, and it works really well. So I'll show you how that one works. It's relatively affordable and it's really pretty basic. The first thing you do when you come into Total Recorder, you're going to go under Options and you're going to confirm your recording source, whether it's the software or it's coming right off the sound card. And it kind of depends on your setup. So you can try one of those or each of those, and one of them will always work. And then once you've done that, you come in and you start playing the actual cassette on the player, and then you hit record, or you can hit record beforehand if you don't want to miss the very first second. But anyway, you hit record, and then it's going to pick up sound. And normally, if I were playing some sort of sound, something were coming in, you would see these bars come over the left and right, come over toward the right, and you want to stay at about 70 to 80% ideally. That will give you the best sound quality. If you get up above 90 into the red, up near 100, it's going to start to distort. So you adjust that with this little slider here. This is your recording level slider, and you can move it left to right, and that will allow you to optimize the recording level. Then you hit stop when you're done, and it will have that file saved or recorded, and then you can just go in and hit File, Save, and save it to your computer. If you have other recordings that are already on your computer and you want to go in and adjust the audio on those, you can also do that with this program. There are a lot of great tools here for enhancing audio and improving audio. So Total Recorder is a really nice solution if you're going to do a lot of sound recording. But like I said, there are a lot of different options to do the same thing. So good luck with your old cassette tapes. You should be able to get them digitized pretty quickly and pretty easily.